Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a meeting on the Webex Meet application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the schedule icon down below that you can find at your home page. Here you should select the name of your meeting or type it in. Then select the date of it, the exact date and time. Here you can add the duration of it, ranging from 1 hour to 24 hours. So you can also add your invitees, so type in your participants' email addresses. As you can see, at one time only 40 people can be invited. And you can also select a password that your participants will able to type in if they want to join your meeting. Press the button Done in the upper right corner of the screen, and then if you have selected all these information and details, tap on the schedule button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby scheduling your meeting. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.